I want to show you how to build a simple chatbot. It's kind of remembrance, reminding you of what I have actually shown you. Okay, to actually build a chatbot, it's not rocket science. You can do it. You can do it. So watch what I'm gonna be doing now, and then follow suit and do your own. It's very simple to set up. See this. This is a dashboard of chatbot. Now, once you log into chatfuel.com, this is the dashboard that you are going to be greeted with. Okay, so this is your chat, this is a blank box. Now you can delete this by clicking on this place and then delete it, or you can duplicate it. I have shown you this. Then this is the one we built the other day. Okay, this is your first chatbot. Okay, if you click on it, you go into the chatbot will open. Remember, I told you can duplicate the chatbot you have built and make some editing, or you can delete the chatbot too. So what I want to show you is how to actually do a simple chatbot setup that you can connect to your Facebook ads, so that somebody who engages with your advert will go over to the chatbot and then gets connecting with you. I told you chatbot is for what you use chatbot to do is to automate your presence, your presence. Yes, when you're not around, you want something like a robot that works for you. That's simply what chatbot does for you. So in this example now, see the welcome message here. I will want to delete it and then do it from scratch so that you can see how this is done. Okay, this is a typical what's it called, a typical welcome message. Okay, and then these are buttons. Give me this book is a button. I'm interested. No, I'm not interested. It's also a button. You are asking how you can do such thing on yourself. This is just simple buttons. How do you add buttons? Let me delete these things and then recreate these things so I see how to do that. Delete. So you can also delete this, type in something. You can also delete this one. Okay, but then let me add a test card here. You add a test card by clicking on this plus. This plus, if I remove, okay, see my cursor now. You can see my cursor. If you bring this cursor now down here, you see the plus something there. You can click on it and then select the type of if you want to add text, if you want to add the typing symbol, if you want to add image, if you want to add gallery, if you want to add quick reply, if you want to do redirect to. These are all the things you can do by clicking on that plus there. Okay, then once you select the test card, what you now do is you type in the text you want to be there. You type in the text, or you can copy and paste. What I did now was copy and paste the text. Okay, then to add this first name, if so you want to mention somebody's name in your message, I told you use the curly brackets. The curly brackets on your keyboard, you use the curly brackets. Once you type it double, the double curly brackets will bring out all these things that you can mention. You can mention. You scroll down and then select the first name. That's if it's first name you want to mention. If it's the messenger user ID, that's the name of the person on messenger. That's what it will mention here. So these are tags. You can actually do that. So what I want to do is the first name. I want you to mention the first name. That's how to add it. Select the first name. Then what will this thing now will read? If somebody interacts with this chatbot, you say hi. If the person's name is Macy, to mention Macy. Then glad connecting with you. You declared interest in the free ebook about that I promised. To get that ebook, click on the button below that reads give me the ebook. The button is not yet here now. You can see I deleted that one. So to add a button, simply the add button option is here. You can click on it and then add a button. You title your button. Okay, I title the button. Remember from the test we said is give me the book. So we want to title it give me the book. Okay, that is it. So you have named it now. Then I told you that a button, three things that a button can do for you on Chatbot is a button can link to another another block rather. It can link to another block. You see it here. All you have to just click, type in the name of the block you want it to link. And to add blocks, see from the left hand side there, that's where you add blocks. You have second block here, we have third block, and then if you click on this plus sign now, you can add the fourth block. Let me click on it. You see, it's on title block now. You can give it fourth block. That's how to add a block, and then you can also link it. We've added a block now, the fourth block. Okay, let's go back to the welcome message so you see what we are building. Okay, I told you a button. When you create a button in Chatbot like this one now we are creating, it can link to a blog, or it can link to an external link, or it can link to a phone call option. So this one now, let's say we want it to link to this fourth block we just created. All you have to do is just to type in that the name of, okay, by default say once you bring your cursor in here, it gives you names of a blog that are available. It pulls it up. So all you have to do is just click on it and select it. So this block now, this button now will be linking to the fourth block. Are you getting it now? So you can add another block, maybe another block that links to, say, an external URL, that is external site. How you do that is you click on the button. Okay, let's title the button. We've not given the button the title. Let's say connect with me. Let's say the button says connect with me. So you want them to, let's say you want them to visit your website. So here now, open URL. This field here is where you type in the external link you want this button to link to. Say cnn.com or your website.com. Any link you want people to, once they click on that button so that it takes them there, that's where you type it. That's what you type in here. Okay, we've created this button. Now this button now links to cnn.com. This one links to a fourth block. Okay, so you can also add another button just like that guy did, the one you showed me. You want trying to see how to do it. That's exactly how to do that. So let's say this one is call me, speak with me on phone, speak with me on phone. Okay, let's say speak with me. Okay, let's do it caps lock. Let's do a capital letter, speak with me. Okay, this one I want it to be called, so we select the phone call option below and type in our number. First you select the country you want the phone number is. In this case Nigeria, I think. Yes, Nigeria. I'm looking for, okay, see Nigeria here. You select Nigeria, then you type in your number, your phone number. Okay, you type in your phone number. You see, +234. You don't add in the 0, you just add the remaining 10 digits, removing the 0. Okay, so that somebody who clicks on this button now, it will pull up their phone, this phone number for them to call. Okay, that is actually how to create this kind of buttons. Okay, it can link into blocks, you can link it to external sites, you can link to phone number. Okay, that's basically how to add buttons. That's buttons. Okay, so that is how to do that. That is simply how to do that. So whichever somebody clicks here, it triggers the next action. If this one is a fourth, like this one now that is connected to the fourth block, if you click on it, you can design the fourth block to say what you want to tell that person. Under the fourth block now, that's where you can see text. You can add text here and type in what you want to type in. If there's a button also you want to add button, you can also add button. If you want to add image, you can add image. Okay, click on image and then upload image. That's how to actually build out a chatbot. Okay, that's how to. It's very simple. It's very simple. It's not a rocket science. It's not rocket science. You see, that image now is there. It's showing now. After that, there's somebody see the image. You can also add more elements below here. That is how to build a chatbot. But I told you, first you have to map out how you want the flow to be. If you map out the flow, that's how it will help you to know what and what you are selecting and how to build it out. But then these are all functions that you can use in building out your chatbot. In building out your chatbot, that's how to do that. Okay, that's how to do that. Let's say this links to a book, or this links to a PDF file that you hosted online. You copy that PDF file and then paste it on this open URL option here. You just paste it here, so that once somebody clicks on that button, it will link them to that document. Okay, it's very simple. It's very simple. It's very simple. This is showing red, meaning there's a problem. Let me see where it's from. Seems the number is not uh, the number is not a Brazilian number. So let me just select Nigeria. I thought I did this before now. Okay, this is Nigeria. Then I want to remove okay. Okay, so that is how to actually add those kind of thing. Okay, then I told you about this quick reply. This quick reply. By adding a quick reply, or if you want to add something like this now, you select the quick reply option here. Okay, you select this. Let me delete this thing here. I don't need it. So to actually create this thing, select the quick reply option. The quick reply now, you add a button. You want, when somebody clicks on this button, you want them to get a quick reply. Okay, first you want to save them to HTTP interest. To do this, you have to create a HTTP interest first, and then so that you can link it up with this button. Okay, that's how to make people segment your audience. That's how to segment your audience. That's how to segment your audience. But that will not, this quick reply option may be confusing to you. What I will advise you to do is just to build a sample, something simple like this, that delivers one. The button may deliver your ebook, or another button can link to your WhatsApp group, or another one can link to your WhatsApp link so that they can chat you up. So if you build out such thing, so that anybody who sees your advert, what they now do is once they click it, they come inbox and then chat you up, like know more details about what you are giving out or what you are selling. Okay, you are inviting them to converse with you, to kind of connect with you. So since you are not going to be around always to reply to every single message, the first things you want to tell them, which you can actually get from knowing the frequently asked questions, or something where people like want to know. That's what you automate using the chatbot. Automate it and then build it out. Once you do that, that will help you to like automate using chatbot. Okay, it will help you to automate using chatbot. For instance, now let's say you created a PDF file and then you want to give it out using an advert, like you want to build an audience. For everybody who sees your advert and then gets interested, they want to chat you up. You may not be always available online. So building out something like this that gives them a link to download the ebook or connect with you on WhatsApp, drop a message with you, or speak with you on phone will save you so many headaches. You understand? It will help you so many headaches. So that's what chatbot helps you to do. If you have any other question, let me know. Like I said, you may just leave this quick reply option. As for now, since Chatfuel is now Facebook is now collecting money to reach your audience, so it doesn't really make sense building it up. So I want you to like think about building a group where you can link people with a button like this. They can join your group and then you get nurturing them there and then selling them whatever you want to sell them. That's what I want you to build as something like very simple that helps them connect with you. Okay, so with sharing more value with them, you build no like and trust factor with them, and then many of them will convert into buying your product based on your recommendations. Okay, so if you have any question, let me to know. I've shown you this how to create blocks by clicking on this plus button. This is how to create button. You can see button. If you add a text now, let's add a text below here. You see, once you add a text, a button can follow. That's how to add a button. Underneath a text, that's where a button can follow. You can add a button or you can also leave it. So if you want to, if you have, let's say you set something here, and then because this text, the text characters that can enter here has a limit. So let's say it doesn't enter here the what you want to say, you can split it, and before these buttons you can add another text option and then put the remaining. Okay, and then after, underneath that, the last thing you want to say where you want to add the buttons, that's where you now put the button. So you split the something and then you split the text into the characters that can be allowed. Paste the half of it there, then paste the remaining on that next option. Then you can, if the next option did not contain the characters too, as you can see, this is 640 characters. That's what you can, that can enter here. So let's say it's more than 642, then you can also add another text too. And for you to add another text now, you see, we are having the typing. Okay, let me delete this thing. I made a mistake. So you can add another text underneath. You see, this is a first. Let's say let me paste something there. This is another text now, without adding a button. Unless something you said I really need a button, you can add a button. But if you don't need a button, you can paste the remaining one underneath. Okay, you see it. Then you can now finally add a button. And for you to do this thing so that it doesn't look like robotic, you can add typing something here, so that once this one enters their inbox, it looks like you are typing another thing, and then they get the remaining one. So to add a typing card here, we click on this plus button and then select the typing. You see, typing is there now. Typing has demarcated the two tests, so you can reduce this the seconds it takes for the next one to arrive or enter their inbox, or you can increase it. Okay, so that is how to make it look like they are not chatting with a mindless robot, but they will think they are chatting with a real human being. You see it? So that's how to build a simple chatbot. Let me know if you have a question after watching this. Thanks so much for watching.